Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to find contacts on Instagram using Android device. First step is open Android Instagram app. Then click on your profile icon in the bottom right section to open your profile page. In the Discover People section, tap on See All. Tap on Connect Contacts at the top. Then go to the next step. You can also choose Connect to Facebook and then skip the step. I am again connect to contacts. To allow contacts access, tap on Allow Access. After connecting Instagram to Google or iOS contacts, browse top suggestions which is first in the list or head to most mutual connection underneath it. When you find a person on the list you want to add your Instagram account, tap follow, or profile first the verification, then tap follow. From the instant, return to top suggestions or most mutual connections, then tap see all and then connect to Facebook. At the top of the link, most connections to Instagram. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.